Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna be participating in a little end of the year cruise. Don't know how many cars are going to be here. There were a lot that I saw starting to roll out. It is raining, which kind of sucks. Like, what the heck? Hopefully we can catch up to the pack.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we did lose the group, but kind of linked up with some cars here. We're in Kema, Texas, which I have not been to Kema, Texas in a very long time. I wasn't gonna actually go all the way down to Galveston area, but I was like, you know what, might as well. I lost the group and make something out of it. I'm like half a tank of gas too. I left with a full tank, so that goes to show how far I've kind of driven today, which is kind of ridiculous. I am hungry as fuck. I need to pull over and get some food. But hopefully I can link up with my buddy. Procharger. Got an S650 in front of us. A lot of cars out today too. Couple old schools. This truck's nice. Couple more up here. There was a Super that was way up there too. I'm not too sure, but dude, it's like, look at this weather. It sucks. All this fog, it's terrible out here, y'all. No cap. Yeah, this X650 is nice. Hell yeah. It's nice too. Clean. new edge back there. Yeah, that new edge is clean too. I'm not too sure how far off we are from like the meetup spot, but I think we kind of went ahead and linked up with the group. Low key. Damn! I see some cars up there turning. Quite a bit of cars up there turning right now. We definitely caught up to the group. And I was about 10-15 minutes behind, so if I caught up to the group 10-15 minutes behind, that means there's like either a road hazard up here or there is a crazy long line and people are just saying nope and going home. And your boy really don't got that type of time to be going ahead and just sitting here in a line for an hour, so.
One eternity later.
All right, looks like we found all the cars. Holy shit. Holy shit, look at all this. Hopefully they got E85 somewhere. Your boy needs some gas. They gotta have E at this Valero. I wonder if they have E here. I hope they do. Parked out all the way over there too. I'm gonna have to be smart about this because if they don't have E85 here, there's no way that I can make it to the last destination. So I need to make sure I give myself at least like 20 miles of like safety. I don't think they got E at this station. Definitely don't. Fuck. Damn, bro, it's too packed. Shit. Ah, damn it. Oh well. They don't got E85 here, which sucks. All right, Finally got linked up. So many cars here right now. Oh, this is beautiful. 7.4. Couple S550s. What's going on, bro? Damn. Yeah, brother needs to turn this car off. About to see what's going on up here. Look at all that over there. That S650 we were cruising with for like 20 minutes. Probably gonna be here for like another maybe 5 minutes or so, so I'll try to go ahead and capture everything that's here before people start to dip. I need to get a drink, but I need to be smart about it because I only got like 80 miles or so, and I think I'm probably like a cool 40 from the nearest E85 station that I know of, so I want to be smart about it. As soon as I see that 50 to E, I'm probably gonna end up heading back. Dang. Hi! Look at the doggy. Yeah, he wants to come out and play. Shit. Dang. Look at that C7Z on the 4 stars. Woo, that hoe is beautiful. We got 350, 2 350s. GT500. Man.
Hey guys, is there a Stephen Haynes missing a wallet? Stephen Haynes missing a wallet? What? He's got $6,000 or something. Stephen Haynes, I have your wallet.
Man, a lot of cars here. What up, bro? Finally made it. What's up, man? Look at this GTR over here, man. gonna have time to go ahead. He's smart. I should have done the same thing. I should have done the same thing. I really should have.
Found the East Station?
No, hell no. Did you?
Yeah, found West 7-Eleven.
Oh, it was like way back. Damn. Dang. Look at all these cars, man. Holy shit. Damn. Alright, so we decided to not go to Galveston, but might try to get a friendly run in. Hopefully the car can hook. Probably have to do it in third gear. But I think I'm actually on my old side of town right now. This looks really familiar. Like really familiar. Like this honestly looks like my old side of town. Which if it is, dang, I'm kind of far from the crib, no cap. Really far, actually. But we'll see. I literally think I'm on my old side of town, though. If I see a certain landmark, I know I'm on my old side of town. All right, back at the casa. Man. Weather was kind of trash and there's a lot of traffic. End of the year, y'all know how it is. Decided just to play it safe. I'm really not, you know, part of that cutting up in traffic gang, so yeah, we're not gonna be doing that. But if you guys enjoyed, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.